Hello dear audience, welcome to Learn with Ruby. Now this time create by a 3D logo, just only one tool, only one ellipse tool. First all, ellipse tool choice and shift key and foreground color off and stroke color on. Stroke color often and stroke by 46 or any others and stroke color black. Okay. Now this pen tool use horizontal and verticals. Click shift. Okay. Click now this shift. Okay. And select this object expand. Okay. Now select this object and part offset part. Preview and same to way. Okay. And select this. Now working to Shape Builder tools use all key, all key, all key. Another switch my design is unquickly cut out and cut out. So okay and shift merge directed now and object ungroup. Now this color choose and two color use something. Okay, and select this and shift alt key. Okay, and drag out. Okay, now select and 3D effect 3D. Okay, and preview your choice, but I think the best choice look for you, trying to best with you. Okay, and extrude deep just for double 3 right now and okay 3D. Okay, and ex expands appearance and ungroup. Okay, big size working now. Shape this work similar to expand, similar to work ungroup. Now this ungroup. Okay, expand. Okay, now this work ellipse tool use and different shadow out of this. Okay, and shadow color just for white and opacity just 32. Just okay, select this and select this just shadow shift all key. Okay, and shift builder tool use. Okay, now this worked and pen tool use and different beautiful and colorful 3D logo, just extra ordinary and extra credits right now. 8 big sides. Okay, pen tool use just fill color of and stroke color often fill color of. Okay, stroke color open and clicks just 3 stroke. Okay, same to way pen tool use. Okay, 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 and first of all clicks shift. Okay, and uniform. Okay, now this logo extra beautiful looking for grades way right now. Now this time and now this time shadow effect path offset path -4. Okay, preview. Okay, and delete this. Same to a shadow object path and object path -4 preview. Okay, and delete this. Now this logo, 3D logo, okay, but similar to new shadow. Select this effect, drop shadow preview, or just 65, otherwise okay. Now this drop shadow, edit preview. Right now delete this, an extraordinary beautiful way for 3D logo, but Ctrl G it same to way right now and arrange to back. Okay, and arrange to back. Right now arrange to front. Okay, now ready 3D logo. Okay, and 2D and 3D. Okay.